Hello nail friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll build a square nails and also on a damaged natural nails. You can see the middle finger was damaged and is healed, is not painful at the moment, and my client is having a birthday party and I have to build a new set for her. In such case will be very important the nail prep and removal, so all the free edge, the lifted nail plate will be necessary to be removed. So I did a combi manicure, and here also a tricky part will be to place the form, since the nail growth are at different level left to right, so it's required a special customization of the form. So I built here a new set of nails just because the nail is healed, is not bleeding, is no any issues. If the nail will still bleed, will be painful, so I will have to wait until everything will be fine, then I will build a new set of nail. I have placed the form and adjusted properly based on the nail growth. Now I'm using Egoista tube gel. Tube gel is my favorite product when I build a square shape because it doesn't run and I can build the proper structure just in one movement. And now the second layer to build the structure, I using a builder gel. Do you know that is possible? So to build first layer using tube gel and second layer using a builder gel, they are compatible, works perfectly. And the main reason why do I mixing two products in one set is just because this way I shave 15-20 minutes of nail appointment, and this is wonderful. My nail friends, please like and subscribe to my channel. Every week new educational video is coming up, and by supporting me, by pressing the like button, I can have some feedback from you. How much do you love my videos? For design, I will use also gel polishes from Egoista. I love this creamy texture of the gel polishes, and these colors I think is something need for fall season. I applied the gel polishes in 2 layers and I cure each layer in a lamp for 30 seconds. Let me know what gel polishes do you use, or maybe you want to know my opinion about specific brands. Please let me know and I will make sure in a future video I will do a video tutorial about the product what you asking for. For finishing, I have used Egoista matte top coat without dispersion layer, and now using the same gel polishes I draw 2 triangles, but you can do any figures what is your preference. Apply thin layer, and before you cure, please put some acrylic powder on top because this is what I'm using, and acrylic powder will give three-dimensional effect and texture, which will create a wow effect to nail art design. Hey nail friend, the video is almost over and I can see you forgot to press the like button and to subscribe to my channel. Please do it right now and see you in next video tutorial.